Boom. Tonight, let's go back again, make some gains. Today we have a full push, full upper body routine that we hit it one time. We started with some muscle up and some dips. First 5 sets, we did 1 muscle up, 25 dips, 2 muscle up, 20 dips, and we're going straight down to 5 muscle up, 5 dips. After that, we're going to hit some pull-ups and some push-ups, but let me see muscle up and dips all the way first before we go into that. Let's start at one time. First set, 1 muscle up, 25 dips.
Here we go. Rain. Clean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Heavy dude. Say heavy. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
First 2 sets is warm up. 2 muscle up, 20 dips now. Great push and pull.
Go.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice.
muscle up, go up, dips going massive.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do it again.
3 muscle up, 15 dips. Come on, there you go. 1,
2, there we go. 3,
15.
15?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. There you go, push pull routine. 1, there you go. 2, nice. 3, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice. Come on, 2 by 2 muscle up, 10 dips. 1, keep it clean. 2,
1,
there you go. 3,
done. 1 more.
there you go, one more. 4, nice. 10, 5 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 5 more.
5, 1, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
done.
There you go. 4 by 10. Four,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, I work out hard, boy. See, there you go.
Yeah, so 5 by 5. 5 by 5. Yeah.
1. There you go. 2. Nice. Come on. 3. Come on. 2 more. 4.
More. So sometimes the workout just feel extra hard for no reason. It do look like one of them days.
There you go. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The legs.
And pull them just feeling extra hard today, but that's nothing.
The workout hard, we get harder. There we go.
But how we feel, we pay the work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
First set done. Now we're doing some pull-ups and some push-ups. First set, 20 pull-ups, followed by 40 push-ups. You get? Pull up our body, there you go. That's the work. 20 by 40. Yeah.
There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10, done. Yeah, that can look easy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Done. 40 push. Go. Monster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Come on.
From the depths, let me go, dig deep.
Dig deep.
Yeah, 30 more.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
1.
6, 7, 8, 9,
Get out one more, get out one more.
20.
Well done, 20 more. 20 more. Come on, dig deep, 20 more. So we just straight, 20 more. 10 by 10, 10 by 10, we're taking that.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. 7, 8.
more.
There you go. 9,
One more.
10.
10. Well done, 10 more. 10 more. 1. One more. Add that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
More.
1. There you go. 2, 3.
More.
2 more. 4, 5.
There you go. 20 by 40.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 pull-ups feel long. There you go, 40 push-ups now. Nah, that's long. Cause you working out. Aye, why?
40.
There you go, 40. Chest not tight, is it? There you go, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 more to go.
What's that?
25. Oh, wait, it's 40, sorry, wait.
15 more.
15, wait. Thinking it's 50. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice. Back on you.
15 wide grip pull by 15 wide push-ups.
15
Yeah, one
wide push-ups.
No, 30 push-ups. 15 by 50. There you go. Yeah, that. 15 wide grip, 30 push-ups.
And there's no mind. So I push.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5.
next 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There you go. 15 by 15. 15 by 15. Easy food. Nice food. In this. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
20 more.
There you go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 20 more. 20 more.
10 more.
10?
Yeah, 10 here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 10 more. Let me go. 5 by 5. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
1. My lord. 15 by 15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh. 30. So we just strain. 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Back on you.
2 more sets. 10 close grip by 20 diamond push. Good.
1, oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 diamond push.
20 diamond.
There you go, 5 4 times.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9,
10.
10. Hold on, 10 more. No. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 5 more, 6, 7,
1,
8,
9. One more.
One more.
One. 10.
10.
There we go. Go. We're almost there.
How much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
20. Diamond.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice. Back on you, Justin.
Go. That's it.
Back on
5
you.
chest to bar. 10 Mike Tyson. Easy. 5 chest to bar. 10 gorilla.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
10 gorilla. One,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A lot.
Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. There you go. 10.
Hit home.
10 gorilla. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more. 1. Nice.
Okay. The routine. Complete upper body. Full push. Simple. Straight to the point. If you like this workout, you can like, follow, subscribe, keep commenting. Most importantly, keep supporting your boys. Being in the work, making our gains. Till next time. Out.